girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have the kid LAROI with us here, and the song is called Love Again. So, a great guitar song. We just need to learn this one. So let's start right away. No need for any capo this one. We have 6 different chords to handle, and the strumming pattern will go from the beginning till the end. So that is great. Let's take a look at the chords. So we will start with the first one, the B minor. So that's a bar chord here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. So that means 5 strings from bottom and up like this. Place your index finger there, and then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and then 3rd on B. Next chord will be D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have the G, 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Then we have the G major 7. All right, so that is 3rd on E. Then I mute the next string here with the finger I'm using here, usually the middle finger. I'm muting that one with the A string with that finger I'm using here on the E string. So it's muted, and then comes the D string open, open G string, 3rd on B, and 2nd on E. So that was the G major 7. Then we have the F sharp. So that's a bar chord. You place a bar here on the 2nd fret over all strings, and the rest will be 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. Yeah, so that's the F sharp. And then the final chord will be the F sharp minor. And what you do there is just to take this off, this 3rd on G, and make it to 2nd on G because it's barred here. So everything is the same. You place a bar on the 2nd fret over all strings, and the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. That's it. F sharp minor. And there you have the chord, guys. The B minor, D, G, G major 7, F sharp, and F sharp minor. Alright, so before we go into the chord progressions, we're gonna learn the strumming. So the first chord will be the B minor. Grab that one. And one round of it will be down, down, up, down, up. Like this. So down, down, up, down, up. If you notice there, I'm playing the first down more on the bass strings. So in this case, perhaps the A, D, and even the G or so. And then the rest down, up, down, up. I'm playing more on the mid top string, so. So it will be down, down, up, down, up. So to get the rhythm here, I'm gonna play a couple rounds with this B minor and this strumming, so let's go. Alright, so let's take a look at the chord progressions. We have one for the verses and one for the choruses. So it's pretty easy. We're gonna start with the verse, and here the chord progression will be B minor, D, G, and F sharp. That chord progression you're gonna play for 6 rounds. We're gonna play 1 strumming round per chord. So for 6 rounds, that will be the first verse. And on the 6th and final round, you will skip the final chord, the F sharp chord there. So you will stop at the G, and the F sharp will be a pause instead, and that builds up for the chorus that comes right after. So the verse B minor, D, G, and F sharp, 1 strumming round per chord. I'm gonna play it for 6 rounds, And on the final round, you just skip the F sharp and pause there. And we're going to look at the chorus next. But let's go for a couple rounds of the verse play. That was the 6th round, we can say. You have a pause there, and now we're going into the chorus play. So the chorus, you go in the same way here with the strumming. Now instead you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord, and the chord progression will be G major 7 to D to F sharp minor and to B minor. So that is the new chord progression. G major, D, F sharp minor, and B minor. 2 strumming rounds per chord, and you're gonna play this for 4 rounds now. So let's go for this 4 rounds now. G major, D, F sharp, and the B minor. Stop there after 2 rounds. I think you get the idea here. 2 strumming rounds per chord, and that's it for the chorus. Now everything else is pretty much repetition. The second verse will be played in the same way as the first one, and the same goes for the second chorus, played in the same way as the chorus we just learned. And then we have this final outro part. You will play the chorus play, so you just continue from the second chorus into this outro, and you play this chorus play for just 1 round, and that is pretty much how we round off the LAROI's Love Again. So a great guitar song, great way of practicing a simple strumming pattern and chords, and it sounds good as well, so that's a bonus. Alright guys, so thank you for watching, hope this helped, and yeah, play tuned.